Hi, I'm Dr. Al, and I have a product that is going to change the view of the world. It's a product that's a herbal product, and we believe that every person, every household will have 3 or 4 of these in their home. This will help you. We believe it's an anti-cancer product. We believe it'll work on the respiratory. It's been pioneered by 19 medical professors in hospitals, sanatoriums, medical clinics, and it's been tested and retested. It works on diabetic wounds, it works on colds, it works on asthma, works on tuberculosis. And we think that every person is going to have one of these. And I have Dr. Deborah Drake. She is a medical specialist, and she's now on our team. She's the medical director of Medicbreath, and I do hope that you'll take time to view this and have the opportunity to see a little bit more about it. I thank you very, very much. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Deborah Drake. I'm a retired medical physician, an integrated medical doctor, and a doctor of humanitarian services, as well as an integrated health coach and biofeedback instructor. I've had the wonderful privilege and opportunity of a great education and 28 years now of clinical practice, and I've seen a lot in my time. And I've seen a lot of what works, I've seen things that don't work, and I've seen gaps and holes that need some work. I'd like to introduce to you the fact that this presentation that you're about to see on Medicbreath is one of the culminations of some of the best of all the simplest of humanity and biology, with the purest of intention and humanitarian outreach, with the most profit, the simplest design, and a profitability that could be generating other revenues for other humanitarian projects. So I have agreed and been honored to become the medical director of Medicbreath project. This project I've been involved with for the last 5 years in procuring the documents, making sure the due diligence has been done, looking at the original scientific research to see how valid it was, and to make sure the claims were correct and scientifically researched at reputable places like University of Toronto. I've been able to evaluate some of the data on animal studies as well as prospective studies on diabetic wound ulcers and other applications that may be quite new in the field but have not necessarily been tested yet. For instance, the finding that this Medicbreath prevented cancers in 5,000 patients over 7 years. That was an unexpected finding, and often in medicine we find sometimes the best wonderful discoveries come by accident. So perhaps we really have unveiled a panacea or a magic bullet that we have here in a small capsulated tube with a multiplicity of herbs formulated in a very secret proprietary sequence that makes it uncopyable and therefore marketing-wise a unique product in the market. I'd just like to remind the audience that as a physician, the lack of complexity, the ease of inhaling this up the nasal passages for all age groups makes it a wider market. The use of it in multiple different infections, either viral, bacterial, fungal, tuberculosis, SARS virus, bird flu, these elements make it wide in a horizontal marketing plan. And the fact that it is so solid, it doesn't require refrigeration or heat, can be used in almost any climate, therefore it can be used all across the globe in every latitude and longitude. Therefore you can see that the market for this is wide and simple. Sometimes simple is good. Simple works. Simple gets the job done, and simple is what we're looking for in medicine, because complex medicine is costing us and bankrupting us an arm and a leg. We need simple herbal remedies that have less impact on the immune system, so we're not having such a serious side effect replay. And pharmaceutical medicines, as well as they may add all benefits to our lives in certain elements, do have a serious list of side effects, and some of them are fatal. This product has had no lethal dose determined even in its clinical trials and its in vivo studies, in vitro studies. So how are we going to stop iatrogenic illness and patient complication? We're going to keep them out of hospitals by using self-help, self-healing, and invoking the most natural of natural killer cells in your own immune system is where this product is unique in all the world. We feel that this is an opportunity for any investor or any philanthropist who would care to give us the running money to get this to factory and get it to market, and to keep the recipe unpatented and secret, such that it can be not copied but saved for the sake of humanity and for the animal husbandry of the world, we feel that we've got a real unique opportunity to do the right thing. The proof is in the pudding. It works. In 5 minutes flat, asthmatics who've had massive refractory asthma have opened up their airways and stopped sinusitis, bronchitis, pneumonia, and tuberculosis, wheezing within minutes, lasting for hours and days. The simpleness of seeing those dramatic results has never before been able to be measured so fantastically as nowadays, with digital recordings of electronic vital signs that can give you 69 cardiac outputs, stress indicators, oxygen meters, body mass composition. My role in this project is to not only make sure that it goes to market, that we actually bring some of the bioenergetic sensing technology tools that measure oxygen improvement after this, before and after this product. And now we can actually prove to the world, not just brag, but prove without a doubt that AIDS, SARS, and all these world-class avian flus that are threatening our entire global population are a mere piece of history. We're not going to worry about that anymore. We found solutions. So let's get busy. Please call us at Medicbreath or contact me at drakewellnessfoundation@gmail.com or contact myself at 647-852-4627 for more information. We're glad you watched. We're glad you're getting involved. Please stay tuned. I'd like to interview the proprietor, the sole proprietor, Dr. Al Molinov, next in our interview series and hear what he has to say and how he came in, how this product came into his hands, what he thinks about it. It's a fascinating interview. Please stay tuned.